Escape to A-Bar Ranch, a 315-acre legacy property in the sought-after Cherry Creek Valley of Douglas County, Colorado. This private, protected valley offers a serene and secluded lifestyle with the convenience of being just an hour from both Denver and Colorado Springs. The varied terrain of the ranch features pine-covered ridges, rolling hills, and level hay meadows, all with incredible views of the Douglas County hills and the majestic Rocky Mountains. This land is a haven for outdoor recreation and wildlife. With East Cherry Creek running the length of the property, live water is a key feature supporting a rich ecosystem. The ranch is home to trophy caliber mule deer, elk, antelope, and turkey, making it a dream for hunters. The property's extensive elk sign is particularly notable, ensuring a rewarding hunting experience during the fall season. For equestrians, the ranch provides excellent facilities for any discipline. A-Bar Ranch also boasts impressive agricultural potential. Hay is harvested on 200 acres of dry land and sub-irrigated meadows, and the property includes water rights on the East Cherry Creek alluvium with an irrigation pond and equipment for future use. The main home is a stunning 4,480 square foot custom Santa Fe style residence featuring 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It overlooks the ranch and offers luxurious living. The main level includes a custom kitchen with high-end appliances, a living room with Santa Fe style fireplace, and an expansive western-facing deck. The master suite is a private retreat with a Kiva style fireplace and a 5-piece bathroom. A fully finished basement with a family entertainment room and wet bar completes the home, which is heated with in-floor radiant heat and surrounded by a meticulously landscaped yard with a koi pond. Buildings that accompany the main home include a 36 by 48 6-stall heated and insulated horse barn with 6 12 by 12 stalls along with 6 prevert turnout runs. Also included is a 72 by 42 shop building with high ceilings and 4 overhead doors of 8 feet, 12 feet, and 14 feet in height. The homestead area of the ranch includes a lovingly maintained turn-of-the-century farmhouse with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Other functional buildings included near the farmhouse are 2 shop buildings, while there are plenty of corrals and pens for livestock. This is a one-of-a-kind opportunity to own a ranch that perfectly balances seclusion, convenience, and luxury. Whether you're drawn to the land for its exceptional wildlife and hunting, the productive hay meadows, or the custom home for its refined comfort and breathtaking views, A-Bar Ranch offers a rare and complete package. For more information and a private qualified showing, please call Jim Digby at 303-883-8493.